Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall, waving hello to one and all. Out in the sunshine, sky so blue, smiling wide.
How do you do? Humpty played in the garden green, bouncing balls and keeping clean. He climbed up high to see the town. Balancing there, he looked around.
A gust of wind, a wobble.
Oh no!
He wiggled fast, but couldn't go slow. With a little
Slip and a tiny scream, down he tumbled.
oh, what a scene!
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, right off the garden's tiny wall. But don't you worry, help's on the way. Rescue friends will save the day.
The bunny in boots gave a hop, hop, hop. I saw Humpty take a plop. Zuzu called the rescue van with flashing lights,
Fast as they can.
Misha brought a fluffy bed. Rest your Humpty, rest your head.
Nain called birds from up above. We'll fix you up with care and love. Fix it quick and hold his hand. Friends will help, just as planned. Wrap him gently, wipe the dirt. We all make sure Humpty won't hurt. Bring some glue, said Ozzy fast.
We'll fix him up and make it last.
They patched him up with sticky tape and gave his shell a comfy cape. A ladybug used thread and yarn to stitch his little arm and arm. A teddy bear brought warranty too.
I believe in you.
Yes, I do. Humpty Dumpty, brave and bright, you're healing up and feeling right. Thanks to friends who care today, you're strong and ready now to play. Humpty said, I learned a lot. Walls are tricky, best not to trot. But with my friends I'll never fear. You all were brave to bring me cheer.
He wore a helmet, nice and snug.
Gave everyone a grateful hug. Next time he climbs or wants to scoot, he checks his gear and straps each boot.
Humpty Dumpty back in the game. Outside play will never be the same. He learned to fall, he learned to rise,
And now
he soars beneath blue skies.
as the sunset turns skies gold, Humpty's tail was brave and bold. His shell was strong, his smile wide. He had his friends right by his side. They all sat down for lemonade, proud of the rescue they had made. And with a cheer and happy song, they promised friendship all day long. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall, and this time he did not fall. With safety, care, and friends so true, there's nothing he can safely do.